Today we're going to be diving into lesson 1.1, which is calculating. I'm not going to write that out. Actually, I will. Calculating the amount of game that you get, the number of game you get with, that's a weird T. I should not, yeah, I don't care. I forgot to spell derivatives, but that's okay. This isn't an English class. Probably the least of your concerns in this class. So anyways, how do we find it? So let's go ahead and say that somebody is a solid 3 out of 10, right? So we're going to just put them, what we do here in this situation, we take the 3, right? We have the derivative in respect to x of 3. Now what is that? That equals 0, right? And what you'll notice is as you do this with any other number, if let's say you're a solid, a perfect 10 out of 10, you still would take the derivative of it and you'll see you get a 0. Now, you see right there, it's a 0. 0. Now, let's say that you have this thing called a good personality. I know a lot of you people don't know what that is, but basically it can be represented by x. The value x represents personality. That's all, good personality. Now, if you see someone who is now let's say you have somebody who's a 7, x out of 10, right? Because they're a 7 out of 10, but they have a good personality, right? So now we're going to take the derivative in respect to x of, so of course we ignore the 10, 7x. Now, according to the power rule of derivatives, so this is 7x to the first, we'll move this back, we multiply the 7 times 1, and then we've changed the x, we reduce 1 to the power, so 1 minus 1, which gives you x to the 0, which cancels the x, makes it times 1, and that 7 times 1 becomes 7, which means that if you are a 7 with a good personality, and then it's to the first power, you are actually a 7 out of 10 because of your good personality. It is allowing you to stay afloat. However, if you have no personality, you'll be sticking with a 0, no matter what you are. As you can see here, a 3 and a 10 are equal without any sort of good personality. So just remember in this lesson that good personality is equal to x.